What's up, kitty cats? I'm still working on it. I don't know. I'm thinking about kitty cats. Because I'm like, wow. Foxes. Yeah, foxy. I'm joking. But I am back home. Oh. So today is Earth Day. I realized that today, like 20 minutes before we left for me to go home. So I'm gonna do nature in its finest. Now I'm not gonna go to the top of the hill or anything. I might do that tomorrow. But we are gonna do nature in its finest. So I'm here outside. It feels good. I have my tank top on and everything. I have weeds. And look at these pretty fake flowers. Now, the reason why we have fake ones here, because, I don't know. Okay, so I'm here where this thing, it's weird. So you guys want to see true nature? Because Earth Day, not really my favorite. Because nature hates me. Just saying, Mother Earth. I'm Mother Earth's least favorite child. But I'm trying to make my way to the top. Okay. But look. I swear, if I dropped my phone, I would have died. So, I'm here in my driveway. And everything. Oh, I thought that was a spider. Look. I don't know if you can see it. It was dangling there and I thought it was a spider. I was gonna die. I hate spiders. Nature hates me. Nature produced spiders, so therefore nature hates me. That's what I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this Earth Day vlog, nature in its finest. Nature hates me, or nature hates me. A fresh nature Earth Day nature vlog. I don't know. I'm thinking about calling, like, Earth Day vlog, nature hates me. Because it's true. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm here in the middle of the road. Smack dab in the middle. Because I want y'all to see this view. Ready? Slow mo. See this view? It's magic. It's Earth Day. Mother's Day is going to be coming up. Why can't Mother's Day and Earth Day be on the same day? I'm like, that would be awesome because Earth is a mother. So technically Earth has 2 days because Mother Earth, she's a mother technically. And there's Earth Day. She gets 2 holidays. And what about her birthday? We don't know her birth. Is Earth Day her birthday? Can't spell birth without Earth. My hair though, I don't like it right now. Nature hates me. Soon I'm gonna get whacked with the stick, I bet. Look at this darn thing. Look. It's warped. So, like, okay. I'm gonna be doing a video series technically inspired by SML. Oh my god, I just realized we have, like, I think these are purple roses. I can't tell if they're fake or not. Look. We have purple roses. Oh, you can't see them. And then purple roses. Purple roses. I hope that goes good. This is my third vlog. I'm working on vlogging. I still need to upload my High School Musical reading. So, or I might not put that up. I might try to redo that if I can make it better, and then I'll put that as like a blooper. So look at this. It's pretty nature. Ooh, I still need to finish the tour before I go inside. Alright guys, we're in the area where I hate most because this is where most spiders hang out. There's critters all around like raccoons, skunks, and I don't want to get sprayed. But that'd be funny, and that would be perfectly fit for Nature Hates Me. Look at these pretty flowers. Okay. Bee. I'm a crybaby when it comes to the bugs. I hate bees, flies, spiders, bugs. And see, here's the thing. I don't really hate flies and gnats. I just hate it when they start bugging me. Ha, puns. I hear a bee. I'm not going over there. I'm sorry, you're probably thinking, go in there. Don't be scared of bees. Well, there's really no point. Maybe I'll do that for like a Monster High video. But this is probably going to be an outside set for like my Monster High dolls. I have dolls. I am in 8th grade and I play with dolls. Well, SML's grown man and I play with dolls. Sorry, SML. Love y'all. Love Chili and all that. Even though, like, I don't really know him personally. I just watched enough vlogs and videos to know him. So. I'm gonna see if I can have someone be a camera person. See, we're gonna be having a clean band. So, that means we're definitely not having songs that has a cuss word in the title. The only words we're gonna say is like hell, because yeah, it's a place, but it's a minor word. You can say what the hell, because that's what I say. I say bloody hell sometimes. I say another term. I'm still determining damn. As long as you don't say GD, I'm good. Because people get offended by that. Plus, it's not right to have kids do that. So I don't know. Alright, I am back inside. You know what? I'm going to call you all my little devils. Take a poll. Kitty cats or little devils? Comment below. I'll count how many people say little devils, and I'll count how many people say kitty cats. I like little devils because I have a band called Katrina's Little Devils. So, yeah. That's another thing. Q&A questions. Polls. This poll I'm wanting to do. Kitty cats or Katrina's Little Devils? Because I'm calling y'all that. I'm not calling y'all my band members, obviously. I'm calling y'all my little devils or kitty cats. So would you rather be a kitty cat or a little devil? Whoever gets the majority vote wins. So, I'm home. I like, oh my god. I didn't think I'd miss home so much. Sorry, Maxxiety. Subscribe to her. See, after Holly the Pirate Cat, me and her are like best friends, apparently. I'm joking. Yeah, she's awesome. Subscribe to her art and everything. So yay. So, okay. I'm not going on a tour, but Katrina's Little Devils. We're not going to some big time concert stadium. No. We're probably not going to be able to have mics. Or we're probably going to start out at the high school or something and see if we could rent out mics. I don't know. I have a very special band member that could play guitar and pretty much an instrument, which I'm happy about. But we're probably going to be more of an a cappella, like I said, because no one knows how to play instruments. I can't play an instrument. I don't know. But like, comment, subscribe. Make sure if you're commenting, of course say good things. Say bad things. Kinda need to know the truth. And I'm gonna read comments. I'm gonna be reading your comments. Video. I might do that. It won't pop up on the screen. Because I'm probably going to be sitting with a computer or something. And I might actually do that on the Chromebook at school. Because y'all know me, I do videos at school. Sometimes. I rarely do videos at home. And I haven't posted a video in a long time. So, Tuesday, I might be able to get a video out on me reading comments, because I can't multitask on this. If I'm not reading comments on this phone or anything else, I'm using Maxxiety's phone or someone else's. But comment, obviously. Remember Q&A questions. Those do not count. I don't have a Twitter page. I really don't. I don't have a Snapchat or Instagram. People are like, oh, do you not believe in social media? Really? Social media has gotten to the point. Well, no. You know what? I'll do social media. My views on social media. For some other video. Because I'm almost at the 15-minute. I don't want to bore you to death. Remember, Q&A questions, song suggestions either for me or the band, or both. You would hear the same song twice. Just make sure band song suggestion or you sing song suggestion. Something like that. I'll be doing announcements. I'll be doing probably morning vlogs. And yes, I will be vlogging at school sometimes. Probably every day. I am going to attempt to do I keep forgetting what they're called. But not the point. I'm gonna end this video here. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the comment thing. Q&A. Song suggestions, band or me. And I'll see you in the next video.